Traders, let's take a look at what's moving. On the move, we got DDOG up over 13%, almost 300,000 traded pre-market, that's in play. SWKS almost 6% down, over 100,000 traded pre-market, that's in play. CDAY almost 3.5% down, almost 200,000 traded pre-market, that's in play. We got a few here we can work with, nothing that really catches my eye, but you never know. We also stream these every weekday morning alongside market gauges SPY, QQQ, DIA, and VXX. If you're interested, you can check that out every weekday morning around 8 a.m. So let's go trade. QRVO, we're gonna see if we can take this short right here at the ask before it cracks 100. All right, we're in. We're in at 113 cents. We think this thing cracks here. The 100. Target on this is going to be about 99 and stop loss will be around 101, about a point each way. But the daily is super strong. It's tipping a bit, but it has been super strong. Intraday gaps down, it starts to run down. So we're going to see if this thing can crack this 100 here and drop. All right, here it comes. QRVO, we're going to try to take this right here if we can. Just the market's climbing here and we can get out of this, and there's no volume either too. So see if we can get out of this. All right, we're out of 100. I'm going to push this up. I don't want to stay in this. Push this. All right, we're out. We're out for about 30 cents. I'm just looking at the market here, and the market's screaming. QRVO, look at this thing. We got out just in time. Thing is popping hard here. Goose, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get in. This thing looks great to drop below 37. All right, we are in. We're in at 37.16. We think this thing drops below 37, down to at least 36.50, and that's what we'll take it. Stop loss on this thing will be close to 38. But we got a bear flag forming here. So we think this thing drops. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Here it comes. All right, we're below 37. Let's see if this thing can continue to drop here. Here we go. All right, we're coming back down again. Let's see if this thing can continue. All right, let's just try to take this here. It's not dropping the way I want it to. I'm going to push this up. Oh, no, we got out of it. We got out of it for about, what is that? Like 35 cents. I should have probably held on a little longer, but it didn't drop the way I want. Oh, now it's dropping. Now it's dropping the way. TSLA, we just got in TSLA here. Right before it breaks 353. I think it broke it already, but we just got in it. Daily does not look good for a short. Look at this thing. This thing has been the picture of power for quite some time now, but it is stretched out. It needs a pullback. Intraday gaps up, and it's been chopping around up here. So we think it's going to go to at least 352, and that's where we'll take it. And stop loss will be around 354. And of course, we get in it and it starts to climb. That's not good, but that's expected. It's a big mover. I actually was going to go cancel the order, and I got hit before I could cancel it. This one looks okay. We'll see if we can ride this down to at least 352. But if it starts to climb, we got to get out of it because the daily says this thing wants to climb, you know. TSLA, we're going to try to come out of this right here if we can. Let's push this up a little bit. This thing is going to take off. All right, we're out. We're out with a point loser on this thing. TSLA, it's looking good here. We're going to see if we can get back what we lost on it earlier. Let's take a look at this thing up close here. We got about close to a point. Let's see if we can get this right here. All right, we're out. We're out with, what is that? Oh, and the sucker's still dropping. Still dropping. Look at that thing. Should have stuck around. We got about 85 cents on that, and look at this thing. This thing is still dropping. And it's still dropping. Let's take a look at RNG. All right, it's tipping a little bit here. Hasn't done anything wrong. Went over to our stop area for a quick candle, but it's coming back down to us here. RNG. All right, here we go. We're dropping now. I'm not going to get too greedy with this thing because I've been in this for quite some time. All right, we're going to try to take this right here. Just because it's taking way too long and there's no volume, so we're going to see if we can grab at least 40 cents or so. Let's push this up a little bit. All right, we're out. We're out for about close to 35 cents. There's just no volume. Look at these volume bars here. Barely a couple of thousand every 2 minutes here. TSLA, we're going to take this for another short here. We don't think it's done dropping. All right, we are in. We're in at 352.10. This is our third trade on it. We took it for a loss. We took it for a point loser. And then we took it back for about 85 cents. And I think it's still going to drop. I think it's going to drop all the way down to probably 350. But we'll take it somewhere around 351. And stop loss will be around 353. But it is up for the morning. And the daily does not look good for a short. But it is extended. Let's take a look at this thing up close. TSLA, it's looking good here. TSLA, let's try to take this right here if we can get hit. All right, we're out of 100. All right, I'm gonna push this up. This is taking way too long here. All right, we're out. We're out with about a 50-cent winner on that. It's just taking way too long here. Should have cracked already, and it probably will, but the daily is super strong, and if I got 50 cents, I'm going to take it. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. I don't really see anything else that looks good. The morning was a rough morning to start with. Everything was moving super slow, in my opinion. But we still made it okay. We're up 186. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 5 winners, and 1 loser. Our biggest winner on TSLA, and our big loser on TSLA also. Thanks for watching.